Not a video I was expecting to make here, but this is a POV drive video. Of course, I've chosen literally the worst route to come on in the world because, oh, I don't even know. But anyway, there's a reason I am actually making this video. It's because I've been having a bit of a tough time managing the YouTube in the past couple of weeks. I've been having major problems with my editing software. I'm not even considering waiting in this. I'm all right, thanks. And basically what was happening is the whole software side of things was completely crashing out my computer to the point where it wouldn't render videos, it wouldn't process videos, and if it did, it'd take an hour to do them, get 95% of the way there, and then completely freeze and crash and almost blue screen the computer. So I'm here to explain that, and that's why I've not been uploading, because I've bought a new software, Adobe Premiere, and it works fantastically. I've been making videos on the aviation channel and all has been going well. But the other problem I've been having is making content for this channel. I've got loads of stuff to get on the car and stuff, but I've not had the time to do it, or the weather has not really been up to it. Like, I've got to see on my rear lights, and today's the first good day we've had since I actually restored my old headlights. So I'm going to try and make the most of it now. I've also got a rear diffuser that I'm going to put on very soon. Well, hopefully there's no roadworks down here either. So yeah, I've had the weather to be battling with as well. Some other personal things with the unit that have gone wrong recently, but I'm not willing to get into that on this channel. That's a different story, but that's been going on as well. I've had things to deal with down there. And I've also just had a kind of weird discovery on this car. So I needed to top the oil up. I checked the levels and it was a bit low. I thought, all right, okay, it's nothing major. It's not like it's never happened before. The damn oil cap, my CTC Performance oil cap, had come loose completely. I've not touched it. I've not put it on wrong. I've not put it on loose or anything. There's literally roadworks down here as well. This is my luck. Welcome to my life, everybody. But yeah, it kind of works its way loose. I'm aware that that's not impossible, but again, I don't screw this thing around. I don't drive it hard. I'm very dumbfounded as to why that's even happened in the first place, but it's all fixed. There's nothing wrong. Everything's fine. It's getting up to temperature nicely now. But yeah, I just wanted to get those couple of things off my chest because I don't want to feel like I've been ghosting the channel and just focusing on another one. That's absolutely not what I've been doing. It's just been very difficult. It's an annoying time for me. I've got other things going on personally too, again, not besides all the other stuff, but again, not mentioning it. It's just a very busy time in my life at the moment, and I'm trying my best. I really am trying my best, but I'm constantly fighting things that are going wrong at the moment, so please just bear with me for that. I did actually buy this unit for an adapter unit and Teguer style gear knob for this car. However, I've spent all the money doing that and none of it fits because of the reverse collar, which again, yeah, trial and error, whatever, but that was a video I was hoping to get out this week. Again, rear lights, couldn't seal them because this is the first bit of sunshine we've had in God knows how long, literally months. And yeah, the same applies, weather permitting, for all the other stuff really. Oh my God, MGA twin cam. Oh, what a beauty. What a British classic beauty. Another reason why I'm making this is like a little test video. Let me know how better quality this video is now that it's gone through Adobe Premiere rather than my absolutely terrible old software that wouldn't even render it in 720p sometimes. You notice that with a few rough cuts on my old videos. So yeah, let me know how this quality goes. And another question I'd like to ask you viewers on this video is, do you like these sort of POV drive vlog style videos? Because if you do, then I will make more of them, because I've got an endless bucket of content that I can make with vlogs and just anything like that. So please do let me know there as well. And although it's a short one, we're going to end it off by going looking at some boss cars at this amazing unit that I've definitely not been scouting out for myself for the future. But yeah, he's got some boss cars. We'll go and do some car spotting and then end the video. See what Mr. Man has here today. He's got a battered Astra, Chrysler Crossfire. Is that a Nana Transit camper or Renault or something? He's got some cool stuff there. Not as cool as the stuff he had when I was a kid though. Waffling aside, I think we're done now. I'm gonna go and bang this on YouTube. Let me know what you all think of the video, quality wise, what you want me to do vlogs wise, just anything like that. Just let me know, because I'm trying to have alternative ways of making content so I don't have to ghost for 3 or 4 weeks when sort of things hit the fan, if you know what I mean. Sunday drivers on a Tuesday. But yeah, that's it. Thanks very much for watching. Give me your thoughts and stuff down below in the comments, and I will get back to you. I do try and reply to every single comment unless it's a stupid one. And yeah, take care, thanks for watching, have a good week, and I'll hopefully see you next week.